Hey guys, this is JT Rock Strikes Back here, and today I'm gonna do another DVD unboxing. And this DVD unboxing is Ice Age the Meltdown. So this is the widescreen edition. So anyway, so here's the front, spine, and the back. Hold your sides hysterical. Good morning, America. So this is rated PG, and the running time for the movie is 91 minutes. So let's unbox this. So let's unbox this thing up. So here's the disc with Scrat and piranhas, and the disc has artwork in it with a lot of artwork. So this is blue. This is a disc. So and this is the widescreen edition. So yeah. Alright, so that was my DVD unboxing of Ice Age the Meltdown. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your friends. Until next time, goodbye!